Hello folks, it's been ages since I did a vlog. It's partly due to my work commitment as well as, you know, personal life stuff, family. So couldn't able to do a vlog, but today I want to do one. We are just heading off to Johor, you know, just to pump fuel, makan and come back. So I thought it would be fun to do one. Today won't be a regular video where, you know, I'll be showing you scenic places in Malaysia. Instead, it's just going to be a lepak one line instead, you know, just go and enjoy ourselves and come back. So today is a Sunday and the time now is about 9:56. Yep, 9:56. We are going in a bit late. Is because I mean, if you go in early, right, my friend here, the one who's riding CB400 in front of me, wants to cut his hair, so all the shops will only open at around like 11 plus. So what's the point of going in so early, even though the traffic will be less and you need to wait until like 11? Instead, we chose to go in a bit late. There's a drop of sweat in my nose and it's really damn annoying. I need to scratch my nose now, but I can't take off my hand. Oh man, let me try. Yeah, much better. So how have you guys been? No, I miss you all. I really wanted to do a vlog, at least, you know, do a simple one while I'm going to office, but I thought I already posted a video on that, so you know, it'll be quite boring to do the same thing, right? So didn't want to do that. So we are entering Malaysia, truly Asia. I don't know where's my friend. He can go fast one. I don't know why he's slowing down. Okay, so looks promising. Not a lot of queue. Should be the case. The other side as well. Let's see. Yes! Yay! We are lucky, I guess. The queue isn't that chalat, at least in the Singapore side. Hopefully the Malaysian side also should be okay lah. The car looks freaking empty. That's the thing. Every time when we take car, motorcycle will be empty. When you take motorcycle, car will be empty. I don't know. Guess it's part of life. Okay lah. This is still okay-ish, I would say. It's not that chala. Yeah, no wonder you're going slow lah just now. Okay, so this is the bit where, you know, you get to enjoy the petrol fumes, cigarette fumes, as well as occasionally people will run over your leg. So and if you love your bike, be mentally prepared, because people will bang you the back. Your number plate might be, you know, messed up. This is what I usually try to avoid, but having said that, I would say today is not that bad lah. I was expecting much more worse. I was hoping that, you know, the Just now the entrance of the bridge itself, you know, I thought the queue would be under down there, so it's still okay. Now let's head over to Malaysian side. So the thing in Singapore is that it's automated for even foreigners, I guess, or at least for Malaysians. But for us, when we go to the Malaysian side, we have to go, we can only like clear the manual immigration clearance unless you pay and subscribe for the special stuff where you know, you can use the automated. So finally we are clear to go, and the uncle down there is a Valentino Rossi. You can see how fast he was like cutting us just now. That's the power of Kapchai. Wow, today looks literally quite empty lah, which is good. Tons of lorry. Scary day. I don't know whether if Kunyong clear already. Seems like it, because I couldn't able to see him just now. He chose another counter, automated clearance. I wouldn't be surprised if he's waiting for me already. Wow, the Uncle Kapchai really spot on. I cannot even catch up with him. Maybe I'm a noob rider lah, that's why. Okay, it's a blessing or not. Okay, I wouldn't say it's a blessing because I can see the queue starts from here. I think this will take about easily another 30 minutes. Okay folks, so we have cleared Malaysian side as well. Okay lah, so not that bad to be honest. I thought it would take about 30 minutes, but then it's 10:27, so we entered the checkpoint at where Singapore side around like 10. So about 30 minutes. Okay lah, still not that bad. Grateful lah. And quite chala lah. Okay, and we have Mr. Kunyong in front. Should we do a rev bomb? Can also. Yeah. Alright, so first order of business, go pump fuel first. You guys might be wondering, you're like cheapskate, I come under here and pump. I mean, if you are living nearby to the customs, then why not, right? And we are not just coming here to pump petrol also lah. So every time we come here, we just, you know, I don't know, Malaysia gives a chill vibes, you know. There's no restrictions where, you know, you can park literally outside on the road while eating, like in the like hawker kind like that, like you can admire your bike. But you can't do that in Singapore. You do that, the LTA come and find you. I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying that here is more chill. Okay, so Shell it is. Like any, wow, all taken ah. God, no other place to pump. Man. What the can go to this side. All the stickers here. They can pump here. Nice. So my trip meter says that we have consumed 13.5 liters. Let's see how much in total we have pumped. Actually, I just pumped for 30 ringgit first. 30 ringgits gave me about like 8 liters, so more than sufficient. So anyways, we are going to go around makan also, so fine. Let's see what Mr. Kunyong is up to. Hey, you pumping full tank, bro? You pumping full tank, is it? Yeah. Why you pump full tank? I pump for 30 ringgit first. No car, nothing. So we just pump finish. Oh man, I had to be careful here. Tons of motorcycle. For 30 ringgit, you can get about 8 liter of fuel. In Singapore, it would have been $30. So that's settled. Now we are heading to the fuck, man. Mostly people ride anyhow. Must be careful. Hopefully the bike wash shouldn't be crowded. I know usually a lot of people will come early in the morning to makan and go wash the bike. But let's see. Let's see if we can link split all the way to the front. Oh man, sorry. Okay, nice. Okay, so for those who don't know about this shop, right, this is one of the best places where you can wash your bike. It's called Tattoo Detailing. It's quite affordable, 40 ringgit, about $10 plus. But they will wash your bike until sweet. It will look as if like brand new bike. And a lot of can enter here. It's chala there. Oh yeah. Yeah, can. Thank you. Oh yeah. Sorry. Can, okay. Where's your bike?
Where's your bike? How long it take? No, I thought you asked how long. Huh? How long it take? No, immediate. Huh? Immediate. Yeah.
bro, can pay by PayWave or not? Yeah, I mean I'm paying for both bikes, 40 each. My friend's bike also. So pay by PayWave? Yeah, the Super Pro, yeah. Hey everyone, so we are washing the bike and it rains, just nice. When we want to wash, then it will start raining. You can see Mr. Kunyong here chilling out a bit. So in case you guys come to the tattoo detailing, you can leave by here. And at the same time, you can see your bike outside this glass. Okay. So we'll see you guys in a bit. So we just finished washing the bike, both of our bike. It looks spot on. Looks as if, like, just come up from the factory itself.